is up, everybody? Today I am going to be working on project there we go, Hurricane. I'm just kind of getting sick of people talking crap. We're going slow, and I don't mean time wise, I mean we're going slow by not having the fastest times in the world. So reason being for that is we're doing one mod at a time and we're testing it, and we've had so much dang rain. So today we're gonna make it go faster. We're upgrading to MU52 fuel injectors. We're gonna start running E85. I'm gonna go get some today. Hopefully it's good. I'll update the tune and of course install our ported intakes. They're ported by Anthony Porting Reyes. So we do also port them ourselves, looking at everything like that, but it's time to go faster. And then I'm thinking next week we're gonna go ahead and install the converter and gears, minimum gears, and then the converter, fix our line lock to go with the trans brakes so we're not creeping forward, and see if we can get some 1.7s, 1.660 foots out of this. So let's do it. So pretty simple task, guys. Literally, we're just removing this, which is the upper, and the lower, which is underneath it. This is what they look like. This is our version that we're going to be installing that's been ported. So you can see how smooth they are and how much bigger the ports are, so should be good. So here you guys can see the difference in our intakes. This is our 2012 intake. This is a 2015 intake. They just look a lot different than ours, obviously. Not ported. Ported. Not ported. This one is ported. Going around, so just kind of get an idea what we're going with here, but basically there's been some good amount of removal. So should be pretty good. It comes off super easy, guys. I mean, literally that took me 2 minutes. Pulling off the sensors, that, and then the top intake. This one will be a little more difficult simply because we do have the fuel system to deal with as well. So we'll disconnect that fuel system with a towel, get it basically bled off. It hopefully isn't under that much pressure, but I'm sure it still is. And then we'll pull the intake off, and then we can pull the fuel rails off and install our new injectors. All right, so obviously it's hot. I really need to put a fan in here. Taking the fuel lines off. So fuel lines are off, and now I'm starting to pull out the injectors. They are stuck in there. Once I get the injectors removed and all the clips off, I'll work on the front and the rear heater hoses, cooling stuff, so that way we can pop that sucker off there. So a few more things. It's too sweaty to hold the camera, guys. I am alone, so I apologize that you can't actually see me do the work, but I'm gonna remove the other 5 injectors now. Okay, guys, so I know it doesn't look any different, but I got it all torqued down, bolted back, so it is good to go. We did break a heater hose that we didn't even touch. I think it was actually already broken and probably leaking. So we threw a bolt in there and a bolt in the other end, which is right here, so that we can go racing tonight. I will just go buy another hose and fix it, but where'd I put that metal piece? There's a metal bar that goes along the side of the head. That's the piece. The end of it literally broke off. Like, I bumped it while hitting the other, pulling off the other hose, which came off fine. I just had to pull on it. And I literally bumped it and it broke at the clip, like completely off. And then when I went to actually remove it, I had to basically cut it off of the tube because it was just so stuck. So I'm sweating like a pig, guys. I'm sorry if it looks kind of terrible, but I'm hot. I don't have a fan, and I'm staying hydrated, so I'm sweating. But we're getting there. The bottom, the ported intake is on. I got some new doodads here, which are new fuel injectors. Do you have to do new fuel injectors? No, you don't. Stock ones can make it if you're NA. Is there really a point in going E85 with essentially a naturally aspirated car? Some will say yes, some will say no. We're trying to go as fast as we can, so for us, yes, there's a point. Get as much power out of it as possible. We haven't ported the heads or anything yet, obviously just the intake. So when we do get the ported heads, or the heads ported, I should say, we'll have the intake matched to them, and we'll start deleting a bunch of other stuff. So we're probably going to try and do a few things to make it spin faster. But yeah, should be good. This is the easy part now. Literally, fuel injectors go on, they click in. I put the fuel rail on, that's 4 bolts. Then the top, oh my god, the upper manifold goes on, it's another like 6 bolts, and we're good to go. So let's put these in. All right guys, so there we go. I got our 52-pound injectors put in, fuel rail set down, and I got the new intake slapped on. It's definitely different looking, that's for sure. Gonna have to figure out a couple of hoses. Like that one doesn't fit anymore. It's too short. So that'll be interesting. We're gonna have to move it essentially. So we're gonna have to move that hose where that UPR catch can sits in order for it to work. But I think everything else should line up. So I'll go through it and let you guys know. Alrighty, I don't know if you guys can hear this. It sounds good to me. Let's give it some revs, shall we? Keep in mind, this is still on pump gas. We haven't uploaded the new tune yet for it, for the E85 at least. So this is still our 93 race tune. I gotta take this thing for a spin.